Look at you, surrounded by artificial heat, wrapped in modern comfort. But your body is lying to you. It's suffocating beneath layers of luxury. You are carrying a genetic code forged in ice, but you treat it like fragile glass. 1,000 years ago, the Nordic warriors didn't have thermal tech. They had the elements. They plunged into freezing fjords. They survived brutal, sunless winters. And in doing so, they triggered a biological cheat code, a metabolic furnace. Today, science finally caught up to what the Vikings knew. We call it brown fat. But your brown fat is dead, starved by thermostats and soft living. This is why your energy crashes. This is why your metabolism is a broken machine. You are operating a hypercar on moped fuel, but we are going to fix that. This is the ancient Nordic cold protocol, and it will violently rewire your biology. Step 1, the shock. When you hit the ice water, your brain panics. Norepinephrine spikes, your blood vessels violently constrict. Survival mode activates. You want to quit. You want to escape, but you stay. You breathe. That is when the magic happens. The mitochondrial engines roar to life. Your dormant brown adipose tissue wakes up. It starts burning white fat for pure heat. This isn't just burning calories. It is completely restructuring your metabolic rate. Your insulin sensitivity skyrockets. Blood sugar is ripped from your bloodstream, fed into the muscles, fed into the furnace. Nothing is wasted. Everything is fuel. Step 2, the shiver. The Huberman protocols talk about this. The Vikings lived it. Succinates are released from your muscle tissue during the shiver. They travel to your brown fat and supercharge it. It's an endless feedback loop of energy. Your basal metabolic rate shifts. You become a literal space heater 24/7. But the physical is only half the battle. Let's talk about the mind. Dopamine, the molecule of motivation, drive, and relentless pursuit. Modern life gives you cheap dopamine. Scrolling, sugar, instant gratification. It spikes fast, then crashes hard, leaving you depressed, anxious, and weak. The Nordic cold plunge destroys this cycle. It is the ultimate dopamine reset. When you submerge, your dopamine levels rise 250%, smoothly, consistently. This isn't a quick hit. This elevation lasts for hours, sometimes days. You feel unstoppable, laser-focused. The ancient warrior clarity returns. But you must earn it. The cold does not give its gifts to cowards. You can't negotiate with the ice. You can't swipe away the freezing temperature. You must surrender to it. Control your breath. Command your nervous system. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Let the panic wash over you and die. Step 3, the adaptation. After 11 minutes a week, your body permanently changes. Your fat composition alters. Your resting heart rate drops. Your mind hardens. You are no longer a victim of your environment. You are the master of it. The Nordic secret wasn't magic. It was forced adaptation, evolution through suffering. Stop living in the artificial warmth. Stop letting your biology decay. Reclaim your ancestral heritage. Rewire your metabolic health. Tomorrow morning, no hesitation, turn the dial to freezing. Feel the shock. Embrace the shiver. Awaken the forge within you. You are a descendant of survivors. Act like it.